Good morning, Captain. Well, good morning to you.
Good morning, LBI. It's Saturday, February 4th, 2017. It's a clear, cold, and windy start to the day here at the beach. Currently 22 degrees, with a wind from the west-northwest. We're going to have an abundantly sunny and cold day. High of 35. Low of 26 tonight. We got a sunrise 7 o'clock, sunset 5:21. And we've got 54% of a first quarter moon tonight. There's a minuscule swell zipping across the sandbar this morning. We got a low tide 7:09 a.m., high tide 1:06 p.m., and the ocean water temperature's in the upper 30s. So come on down to the beach. Get those boots in the sand. Stay above the weather and enjoy this first Saturday of February here on the beaches of LBI. And check out the ALO South End Polar Paddleboard race today, 12 o'clock, Pearl Street, Beach Haven. Have a great day.